What is isobaric process? In that process, pressure remains constant.
Pressure is constant.
Now tell me, volume will also be constant? No.
No,
Pressure is
sir.
constant, volume is free, either it can increase or decrease. Now can anyone say, if pressure is constant, work will be done or not by the system? Work will be done or not? Again I am repeating, pressure is constant, but volume is not constant. So it is free to move. Work will be done or not? Okay, so work will be done. If you know, please respond. Either you say, sir, I decay, but don't be silent. If you are becoming silent, that is not correct. See, if any object is moving, I am telling multiple times, if the object is being displaced, this is free to move. If this part is moving up or down, that means work is happening. Formula for work is what? F into S vector. Means if you are applying force and object is moving either in the applied direction, applied force direction, work will be positive. If the work it is displacing against the applied force, work will be negative. So don't be silent. In isobaric process, work is possible or not? In isobaric, work is possible or not? फिर से साइलेंट हैं आप लोग.
Yes, sir. What possible?
Work is done, right?
Yeah.
Work will be done. Okay. And that work will be how much? W equals to P V2 minus V1. Please make a note. W equals to P V2 minus V1. Please make a note of this formula. Due to change in temperature of the gases, its internal energy also changes. Do you agree? Due to change in temperature of the gas, its internal energy changes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Internal energy is totally related to the temperature. The heat absorbed by the gas is used partly to increase its internal energy and to do the work partly. Now I am asking question to Ritvik. Why it is telling some heat you are giving, beta, some heat you are giving, those heat ka suppose 100 joule you have given. Assume I am telling 100 joule you have given. Out of 100 joule it is telling some part will go to increase its internal energy. Means let's say 60 joule goes to the internal energy and 40 joule goes to work. Why it is saying so? Ritvik, it is based on which principle? Okay. Disha, can you be able to tell, beta? It says if we supply some heat, I think she has a mic problem. Anjali, can you be able to say, beta? If it is saying 100 joule is being given to the system, those 100 joule ka part will be utilized for change in its internal energy. Part will be used for to doing the work.
What should I say, sir?
It is based on which principle and why it is saying so? First law of thermodynamics, right? That is nothing but first law of thermodynamics. What is first law of thermodynamics?
Sir,
It is nothing but conservation of energy. Whatever heat we are supplying, that heat will be useful for doing useful work and then increase in its internal energy. That is the
Sir, won't
basic
it be
first
second law of thermodynamics also? Basically, that the amount of energy that's being kept put out cannot be used for to its maximum potential.
We will be discussing that. We will be discussing that. But now for isobaric process, whatever it is saying, please understand first term is clear. If internal energy is increasing means definitely there is a change in temperature. Second thing it is saying, whatever heat you are supplying, that heat will be always doing two things. One will be increasing its internal energy. Second thing will be useful for doing work. Because in isobaric process, work is possible. Now, if I ask in isochoric, if you supply heat, those heat will be, can we say same thing for isochoric? Whatever heat we are supplying, that will be useful for increasing its internal energy and then doing for useful work in isochoric. Is it possible? Let me share another screen. I am telling, see, this is isochoric process and this side is isobaric. Suppose you are supplying, this is your system actually, okay? You are supplying heat now. You are supplying heat now in isobaric. Assume you have given 100 joule. So this 100 joule will be equal to internal change in internal energy delta U plus delta W. Here also 100 joule equals to, can we say delta U plus delta W? For isochoric, this is my question. Reply me yes or no for this. Reply me privately. For isochoric process, whatever heat you are supplying, that will be equal to increase in its internal energy and work done partly. Okay, I received reply, fastest reply from Ritvik, Disha, Adyasha, Abhinaya, and Srikar says IDK, but you all are saying yes sir. Beta, you cannot say yes sir here. This will be no sir. Your answer should be no. Why? In isochoric, we have discussed delta W equals to P delta V. Isochoric volume is how much? 0. The work done is 0. So this work done part will be nullified. So 100 will be whatever heat is being supplied, that will be equals to change in its internal energy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just now we are touching, and do not get tensed by seeing the question. Concept wise, do not get confused. Same question remains. Concept, based on concept, we can frame multiple questions. चलिए, तो Cp will be the change in temperature of the gas for a given amount of heat is determined by its specific heat at constant pressure, that is called Cp, and Cp equals to dq by dt. The isochoric and isobaric process obeys Charles' law at constant volume and Charles' law at constant pressure. Shall we move next?
Yes, sir.
Cyclic process, these things already we have discussed. In cyclic process, a system returns to its initial state. Internal energy is a state variable, it remains constant in the cyclic. Internal energy is not going to change. So delta U equals to 0 in cyclic process. So whatever we are supplying the heat, that will be useful for doing the meaningful work only. Please make a note, in a cyclic process, total heat absorbed is equals to the work done by the system. This is important. In cyclic process, internal energy remains constant. Okay, so we are going to start about reversible and irreversible process. Anyone, what is reversible process? Anyone? What can be called as a reversible?
Delta U is equal to 0.
No. Just simple layman language. What is the meaning of reversible? Suppose your mama is cooking food. Is that, can we say, a reversible process?
No, sir.
That is non-reversible or irreversible process. Then what is reversible? Mixing tomato and potato and then separating out. Is it reversible or irreversible?
Reversible, sir.
we can reverse it. You mix and then after that you can separate it out. Any other example of reversible?
Melting of candle.
Melting of candle, can we reverse it? Because there will be some loss of matter as well, no? If 100 gram of candle you are melting, how it will be? Melting of wax, you can say, once you heat up, it will get melted. After that, once you leave it, it will again be frozen back. You wanted to say same thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What about iron, sir? Melting of iron.
Welding of iron, no. How you can make it reverse?
Melting, sir. I mean,
Yes,
I mean,
melting
only
and
if-
freezing. Correct. Melting, freezing, it will be reversible process. You
Yeah,
can reverse. You can
that's
heat
what I
and then
meant, sir.
after that. Same way for water and ice. Conversion from water to ice to water. A process that can be retracked back such that both system and surrounding returns to its original state. Please understand, in thermodynamics beginning day itself I told we will be talking about two things, system and what I told, system and surroundings only. So in that it has to be retraced back. It has to return to its original state. Who will be returning to its original state? System and surrounding both. Their example I told, tomato and potato you are mixing and again separating out. So here who are tomato and potato? System and surrounding. It has to be retraced back and it has to return to its original state with no other change anywhere else is called reversible. अब उसमें ऐसा नहीं लेना है कि टोमेटो और पोटैटो को लेकर के we have to just boil it. After boiling you cannot reverse it back. There should not be any other change. So what are the three things we are getting? No, which should be retraced back, system and surrounding, and there should be no other changes anywhere. So first part we got system and surrounding. Second thing we got retraced. It should be retraced back. Third thing, no changes. No changes. Is it clear? आप लोग साइलेंट हो जाते हैं. This is very bad. Fusion of ice and vaporization of water. Quasi-static process. What is the quasi-static process? Anyone? Quasi-static process is very, very slow process. Quasi-static process is very, very slow process. Need not be reversible.
Yes, sir.
मेरे बोलने से पहले आप लोगों का आंसर रेडी होना चाहिए तो फिर I'll be happy. If I'm asking what is quasi-static process?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Very, very slow process. Is it breaking for everyone?
Yes, sir.
it is slightly.
Now it is better.
Yes, sir. Better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So quasi-static process is very, very slow process. Very, very slow process need not be reversible. An ideal gas is allowed to expand at constant temperature. In a quasi-static process is a reversible. Right. So quasi-static process यहाँ से यहाँ तक underline कर लीजिए आप लोग. Please make underline. Quasi-static process need not be reversible. This is not necessary. It may be irreversible also. Okay, an irreversible process is what? The process which cannot be retraced back. Which cannot be retraced back. For example, cooking of our food grains. Once we cook, we cannot again reverse it in opposite direction such a way that the system does not pass through the same state as in the direct process is called irreversible process. All spontaneous natural processes are irreversible. Okay? Shall we move
Yes, sir.
next? Combustion of reaction of mixture. What is the example? Combustion reaction of a mixture of petrol and air cannot be reversed. Yes or no? Leakage of cooking gas from a cylinder diffused to the entire room which cannot be brought back into the cylinder. Can we bring back? Or perfume
sir.
we are spraying, no? That cannot be further filled back into that bottle. There are many examples, not one or two. Work done against friction, evaporation of water is, these are all irreversible process. चलिए क्वेश्चन फटाफट बताइए आप लोग. Among the following, the irreversible process is reply me privately. And fastest answer by Anjali, then Adyasha, Pravalika, Srikar, Ritvik. I think different answer you people are giving. Somebody had replied option C, motion of an object on a perfectly frictionless surface. If there is a completely smooth surface, the object is moving, say, to and fro. Let me make a bowl here now. This is frictionless. Once it is going from here to here, can't it come
Yes,
back?
sir, but we don't know what surface it is, right? If
No,
it's a flat
perfect. No,
surface.
it is telling perfectly frictionless. Means there is no friction, so there is no loss.
And extension or compression of spring is reversible easily. I've seen some people do it.
Extension or compression of the spring, that is again reversible.
Yeah, easily reversible.
And it is telling irreversible. So this option is ruled out. This option is
Free
ruled out.
expansion is gas is the way. That's the first I took time for seeing
Free
which ones are
expansion
not.
of gas means,
And
for
then I went
example,
for correct ones.
yeah, free expansion of gases, same thing I told, spraying of the perfume. It is happening free expansion. Further, it cannot be compressed back and kept into the bottle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who could not understood this question, please let me know. Anyone?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Now time up. Shall we do this Carnot engine because it requires some time? Shall we do in the next class?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.